Okay, so once setup is completed, so I'll get this message. So let me allow access. So allow access is done, but hold on. See, sometimes we'll get this issue that Tomcat server is not accessed because port 8080 acquired by some other server. So what you can do in that case, just go to your server in the bottom, double click on your server, open the setting. Okay, and there you can change the port from 80 to 8083. Okay, and let me change the admin port as well, 8084. Just press Control S to save this. Okay, now let me run this page again. Right click, run on server. Okay, 1 second. Right click, run on server. So you will find this type of option. Let me open and select 9.0 and always use this server when running this project. Now let me click on finish. Again, allow access. All right, so once that server is deployed, so I'll get this output in browser. My first web project, which is showing me a submit button. But hold on, when I'm just going to press the submit button, so I'll get this error, HTTP status 404 not found, because the servlet which they are looking for is not available. So how can I make it available? So I'm getting an error. So how can I remove that error? And why this error is coming? Because the libraries are not available in my project. See, the HTTP servlet. Okay, the class which they are extending, HTTP servlet request, anything, these are not available. So what I can do, I can just right click, go to build path, configure build path. There I'm just providing a library. Okay, and I'm just going for add external ZAR. And I'm just going to the folder of lib. In that I'll find servlet.jsp, servlet.api. Okay, this is servlet-api, which is my ZAR file. And once I'm just going to open that with apply and close, so I'll find this error is removed. Okay, and whenever you are performing any changes on Servlet, so you need to restart your server. Okay, now when I'm just going to run this page again, so it will automatically ask to restart the server, right? And then okay, so the server is restarting in bottom, and now I'll get this page. Okay, so once I'll click on submit, so I'll get this output. It means my servlet is called. If you want to perform any changes on this servlet, so what you can do, you can just print something over there. And instead of that, okay, let me write something in console. I'm not going to remove it. Sysout hi from console. Okay, let me improve the font size. 1 second. So this is my like output or anything, whatever we can say. So let me remove this console, and every time whenever you're performing any changes on Sublet, so your page will, your server will restart. Let me go back, and now if I'm going to press submit, let me check my console. I'll get output in Eclipse as well, that hi from console. This is the work of Sublet, that how Sublet basically works. Okay, if you want to print anything on web browser, so how can you print anything on web browser? Basically, we have two sections. First is get, second is post. Okay, if you are writing anything on post, so it will automatically call the constructor of get. So the request will transfer to this block. If I'm just printing out dot println, so out is nothing right now. So what we need to do, we just need to create an object of print writer class, WRITER, and that is inside java.io. So once I'll press control space, so this package automatically get imported. java.io.print. Okay, now let me create an object. So most of the times we guys are creating this object with out, and let me call response file, response dot You can see that in the bottom Servlet, whenever you make any changes, so that will refresh automatically. Okay, so I'm just printing hi from web page. Okay, let me put semicolon. Okay, now that is all again refreshed. Let me refresh this page, and once I press submit, so it I'm getting hi from web page. But hold on, we are getting this message. So let me remove this message because I don't want this line. Okay. Now, if I'm going to press submit once again, I think Servlet is not refreshed. Yeah, that is refreshed now. So I'll just get hi from web page. This is the way that how can you create your Servlet with the help of dynamic